You're welcome. To you, my sister, friends.
Cheers to her.
Here she comes. Pour her a glass. Here she comes.
Oh my god. Jody. No. Jody, what's wrong?
Jody.
What is wrong?
It looks so bad!
Whoa, whoa,
Oh my god! Look at my hair!
What?
Oh!
Okay, look, let me just fix this one flower.
Oh, fuck off, Jesse!
Whoa.
Jody.
Okay, it doesn't look that bad. Honestly,
She was like doing it, I didn't know how to respond, and just look what she did!
It looks fine. There's nothing wrong with it.
Jess,
It looks
there's
great.
something wrong
Are you
with it.
kidding me?
Okay, just take a second to breathe. You've
Yeah,
been the hair
breathe in,
salon
breathe
all
in,
day.
breathe in.
Shut up, Jesse. This is so awful.
Jody, it's
Oh, you
just
guys look great.
visible.
You guys look great. That's great. You guys look great.
Just calm down. Just
Jody,
calm
you're
down.
overreacting.
Look at your
This is
beautiful
your
dress.
Go help her.
Okay.
They're stuck! Fucking hairspray
Here,
and everything.
stop
her. She's gonna totally
Hold
make
on.
it
Yeah,
worse.
look, we'll help you. We'll put bobby
Do you like
pins.
this? Do you like what they did
What time is it?
here?
What time is it? What time is it? Oh fuck! We have like an hour and 5 minutes.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, honestly. It
Stop
looks
for a
cute.
second. See these bobby
It looks cute. It looks like Shirley Temple or something.
I would tell you my honest
You can totally
opinion.
fix it.
Honestly, it looks cute. It's in like
You
short curly
Can you
hair.
turn off the camera?
Here, have some champagne.
Turn off the
Here.
camera. Okay, I'm just gonna put a glass of
Give her
champagne
the
in
champagne.
for you.
Take a sip.
Can we please do my hair?
You're
Yes.
shaking.
I know. Like, stop
Have
touching
a
it.
sip.
She's
I
gonna
know
fix
what I
it
Give her
for
the
you.
champagne.
Jody, Kevin is gonna love you no matter. Why are you taking those out?
Because, Jesse, I'm not wearing my hair like this.
Let me try and do something with it for a second.
I don't look like
the
a
worst
bride.
wedding video
Jody,
ever.
I can fix this. Stop. Please don't cry.
Stop crying.
Can you please do some
Just take a
champagne?
sip of the champagne.
Jody,
Oh.
take some. Okay, here. Ready?
Jody, we're gonna fix it for you.
Okay. You're getting married before your big sister, and
It's
you
not
have
that
someone
bad.
that loves you.
It's really not that
Listen to
bad.
Esther. It's not honestly not that bad.
We're not keeping it. We're not keeping it this way. We're not keeping it this way. Can you put away the key?
What are you
No! Stop! Why are you holding your
Take her hand! Hold her
hand! No, it's fine.
Okay,
It's
everyone
fine.
calm down.
It's fine.
Oh my god.
It's okay. I wanted to have shorter hair anyway for a while. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Wait. Relax. Just relax. Can you please just like go away? Can you just go away, you guys? Can you just go away?
I don't know what to do.